welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do a product review. Lumary sent over to me this matte landscape light pro 500 LM. And guys, you know it's Black Friday is going on, and if you want to decorate your home for Christmas or any other occasion, if you are someone that loves to put light in your backyard or front yard, guys, this can be a good option for you guys. As you can see, inside the package, everything that you need to install it in your outdoor, in your yard, and the material is very good, guys. As you can see, this Lumary smart landscaping light, guys, is a true definition of rainbow. And guys, it has multi-color display with RGBA technology. You can create stunning dynamic light display on your outdoor. As you can see, guys, everything look inside the box. And guys, you know it's Christmas season, is a perfect timing if you want to change your outdoor and to put your outdoor to the next level. This one can be a good option. And guys, as you can see, it comes with a manual instruction with a remote. This guy provides in total 3000 ml brightness and 36 watt output. The length of the first plug is 18 feet. And guys, as you can see, you can put it in the perimeter of your home, or if you have a small backyard just like me, you can just leave it the way it is. For me, I'm just going to stick them in the ground because my backyard is kind of small right now. And guys, they have so many varieties. If you don't like mine, you can choose other one. As you can see, the website is easy to navigate. And guys, the link will be in the description box down below. If you are looking for some great lighting, make sure to check them out. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I install everything in my backyard. And guys, as I mentioned before, the length of the wires are like 18 feet, and I'm going to leave it exactly this way because my backyard is quite small. As you can see, my son is helping me. They are very nice guys. I have a really small backyard. Please don't judge. And guys, I really like how everything turns out. My kids love outdoor because they can turn this outdoor so amazing. The kids in my neighborhood, they come at night just to enjoy the lighting with my sons. As you can see, guys, you can change your colors as you want. If you want green, you want solid green, you want solid blue, you want any solid color, you can change it. Or if you want the pure rainbow, you can do it as well. Alright guys, make sure to check the box down below if you are looking for some lighting for your backyard or your front yard, because I'm using it in my backyard, but you can use it in your front yard, you can use it in your fence, anywhere that you choose. Make sure to check the box down below if something like that interests you. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review like today. I do clean with me, DIY home decor. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching.
Small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies.
Guys, I really like the way my backyard turns out. And as you can see, I still have my fall decor I haven't done anything yet for the fall because I'm in the process of moving and I don't want to do not too much in this particular home because I want to save my energy and everything for my new place. And guys, as you can see, that's what I have for now. And I really love how everything turns out. Okay guys, if you're looking for some great lighting, this one can be a good option. Make sure to check the box down below, and there are some great discount going on for this Black Friday. Okay, guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.